All right, I'm gonna try. I've been working all day. The sun's going down on me. It sort of sucks. But anyways, I'm gonna just try a few basic cuts. Get this here set up for a bear that I could do a lot of work on, and trim it out nice. I got it locked in pretty decent. So not the best in the world, but enough. So let's get the carbon. That was just to square it off. Came off. I didn't even see it until just now. Ugh. I don't want to burn my chain up. I don't mind about the oil getting all over everything because it is nasty anyways. I got the small carbon bar on there. That's why I had to take it off in little chunks instead of all in big chunks. That smoking is just the oil getting all over the exhaust because I just dumped it in there like an idiot. chain slipped off. Give me just a second, get my chain back on. Let me pause this, get my chain back on. All right, don't ever get in a hurry like I'm doing right now. I'm trying to get this done in like 5 minutes or 15 minutes. Anyways, I got my chain back on straight. I'm gonna cut the notch right here that's gonna go in for his front chest. I'll take this top down, form his ears in a little bit, and then I'll be done. A big 22-inch log, and I got a 12-inch blade. So I have to hog it. Alright, just a little bit more here in the front and I'll be done. And on this side, go. Now it's all roughed out. Make sure this thing didn't quit on me. Nope, it's still going. Okay, let me bring you over here. Well, you see what I got so far. I just got to touch that nose up, but that ain't nothing. I got his ears. His eyes are going to be here. Of course, I'm going to round this off and they'll be sunk in a little bit more. His nose and then his mouth. I'll block off that there. Trim this down. Trim that one there down. Drop this chest down a little bit. But I won't do that with the chainsaw. I'll do that with the grinders. And it'll take me, I don't know, probably about 20 minutes to do that. And I don't know if I've got enough camera life in this one right here. So what I'll do is I'll do it and then I'll turn the camera back on and let you see it whenever I use the grinders on it. So anyways, I don't know how long that was. I don't know, 20 minutes or so or something like that. But normally I would just block here, block there, block here, block there, block here, block here, block there, block there, trim this off, take this in, give it a higher forehead. Because see, I'm not even right here. I got to take a bunch of that off still. And then I do this as a more of a sweep right here. And but that's all just refining, and I can do that at any time. So anyways, let me go ahead and blow all this off really quick and then get this bear finished up. Peace.